Welcome to Ader Hub channel. You are watching top 3 best docking station. I included product links in video description below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like this video, if you enjoy it. Number 3. StarTech Triple Monitor, USB 3.0 Docking Station. Triple Display Docking Station. This universal USB 3.0 laptop dock lets users maximize their display capabilities. With a triple monitor, dual monitor setup, which will help to boost productivity. 4K Ultra HD resolutions, bring a lifelike picture to your monitor or display with this 4K USB docking station. Number 2. Hagibis Type-C Docking Station for Mac. Good partner for Mac Mini. Hagibis USB-C hub, with dual hard drive enclosure. Has multiple interfaces, to meet multiple needs. Same size, alloy material, plug and play, light, solid, fast heat dissipation, more suitable for your Mac Mini. Number 1. Dell Thunderbolt Docking Station with Adapter. The workstation power adapter needs to be plugged in for optimal operation. For the best experience, with precision choose the Dell Performance dock, which comes with a dual USB-C connector that provides up to 210 W power delivery. So you no longer need an additional power adapter. Boost your PC's power with Express Charge Boost on the world's most powerful and first modular Thunderbolt dock. With a future-ready design,